So people, I have special moments, make me cry because of happiness, make me feel excited. First of all, the birth a little man made me happy. When he was born, I remember I was in tears. Yes. I can't find words to tell this feeling. I don't know why I love him so much. When I ask him, he says, I don't know the reason that I love you so much. I think that is the point of love. To love somebody without a reason. I love children, and having a child is very beautiful. And he is my priority. I always think that his future before mine. If an aunt feels like this, who knows how I feel when I am mother. I love my little prince, my nephew Tuna. And there is another important, excited moment. When I went to Bozcaada, I saw an actor who I love very much and I like his acting also. I mean Yıldırım Fikret Ura. When I was talking with my friends, I realized him. He was sitting alone on the table, left side of me. Actually, I don't do this kind of things, but I was very excited. I stood up, went near to him. I told my name, and I told him about my admiration of his acting. I said him, he became a giant on stage. He said me that I was very kind, and then I turned back to my friends. I was incredibly excited and I was cheering, yes. It was the birthday surprise for me that night. Yes. And the last one, when I was talking with my friend, she told me that there is about Aptal Musa Derviş Lodge in Antalya. And she had gone there. I haven't heard it about before. A month later, I dreamed the place that my friend told me about. This dream really affected me. Next day, I searched about Aptal Musa Derviş. Yes. I arranged everything and I flew to Antalya that weekend in the morning. I went to this Derviş Lodge and I came back to Istanbul the same evening. I had heard something about that. Some places call for some people in some ways. This dream very important for me spiritually, and I felt different feelings. It was a different experience for me. Thank you.